This is a quick tutorial on how to download word boundaries for free. So Google the word boundaries download or simply click on the link in the description below. So you will get this result. We are going to click on this Open Datasoft website. We will be redirected to this page. So from here you have a lot of datasets to choose from. It depends on what you want. You have a CSV format, JSON, Excel, GeoJSON, shapefile, KML, and other format like GPX, for example. So for me, the most two important formats are KML and shapefile. We will go ahead and download those two datasets. So to download the shapefile format, click on all datasets, then navigate to where we want to save it and then click on save. If you want, you can also download the KML format, which you can use inside of Google Earth Pro. So click on it. Again, navigate to where you want to save it and then click on save. So at the end of the download, you will get these two files, the KML file and this is the shapefile, but it is in a zip format. Click and go to extract here in order to unzip it, and you will get here the shapefile. Now, in order to read the shapefile, you need a GIS software. So for me, I will use ArcGIS Pro. In ArcGIS Pro, I will go to Map, Add Data, and I will click on Data. Navigate to your work folder, click on your word boundaries shapefile, and then click on OK. And that's it. Now you got your boundaries inside of your GIS software. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you got some useful information from it. So please like it, subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.